Welcome to Escaping Sudoku. I'm going to solve New York Times Hard Sudoku, Barcelona, October 5, 2022. Column I, second row, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 9. Third row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 9 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 2 and 9, so 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row and 7th row we have pair numbers 2 and 9. Column I also we have pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column J we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J we have pair numbers 6, 8, 2. There are 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. But column I we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. 5th row we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. The 9th grade we can confirm 5 also here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. It will be on the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 7, 6. Column F we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will be on the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column B, column D we have 1. 9th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column D, 8th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G we have 8. 10th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 9th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. 9th row we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of the cells, but 10th row we already got 7, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 3, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column F, 4 numbers are remaining, 5, 1, 3, 2. Second row, we have 5, 1, 3. The 3 numbers can't come in these cells, it will come in one of the 3 cells, we will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column F, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column G, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column B, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 6th row, column B, we have pair numbers 2 and 9, so 2 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 4th row, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column B, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 4th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 3rd row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 3rd row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column G, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9. Column G, we have 5 and 9, so 5 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then 4th row, only 1 numbers are remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then column F, only 1 numbers are remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 7th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column G, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 7th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 7th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.